Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Audi S8 2025. The Audi S8 for 2025 is here, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. This luxury sports sedan is a perfect blend of sophistication and performance, crafted to offer an unmatched driving experience. From its stunning design to its cutting-edge technology, the S8 is designed to make a bold statement on every road it conquers. Let's dive into the details, starting with its breathtaking aesthetics. The Audi S8 commands attention with its sleek and aerodynamic body. The bold single-frame grille, striking LED headlights, and meticulously designed air intakes add to its aggressive yet elegant look. The 2025 S8 offers an exciting range of color options that cater to various tastes, from classic tones to vibrant hues that reflect modern trends. Every shade complements the car's refined lines, ensuring that it turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a potent twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine. This beast delivers an impressive 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, ensuring exhilarating performance. With a standard all-wheel drive system, the S8 provides exceptional traction and stability, making it suitable for both high-speed highway cruising and tackling challenging road conditions. The adaptive air suspension further enhances the driving experience, offering a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. The S8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, a feat that's truly remarkable for a sedan of its size. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury. The interior of the Audi S8 is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring premium materials such as Valcona leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The seats are not only exquisitely comfortable but also equipped with massage functions to ensure every journey is a relaxing one. Ambient lighting sets the mood, allowing you to customize the atmosphere to your liking. The spacious rear seats make the S8 perfect for those who enjoy being chauffeured, while the driver-focused cockpit ensures enthusiasts are well catered to. When it comes to technology, the 2025 S8 leaves no stone unturned. The car features Audi's virtual cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster that provides essential information in a customizable and intuitive manner. The dual touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging as standard. Audi has also introduced advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring safety is always a priority. The Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for enjoying your favorite music or podcasts during long drives. The Audi S8 also focuses on sustainability with its mild hybrid technology. This system improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions without compromising performance. The intelligent start-stop system works seamlessly to conserve energy, making the S8 a more eco-friendly choice for those who demand power and luxury in equal measure. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. The trunk space is generous, making the S8 suitable for weekend getaways or business trips. The build quality is impeccable, reflecting Audi's commitment to durability and reliability. Whether you're commuting in the city or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the S8 is designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. In summary, the 2025 Audi S8 is a masterpiece of engineering and design. It's a car that caters to the modern driver, offering a perfect mix of power, luxury, and innovation. From its striking exterior to its opulent interior and impressive performance, the S8 stands out as a top contender in the luxury sports sedan segment. If you're as excited about the Audi S8 as we are, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Gear Run for more exclusive first looks, reviews, and updates on the latest in automotive excellence. See you in the next video.